Okay, hello students. So today we are going to study about classification of angles. Okay, so angles are classified according to their measures. Now there are different types of angles. So I'll show you. There are total 7 types of angles: zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Now what are these angles? So zero angle means when two arms of an angle overlap each other, the angle formed between them is zero angle. Now see this O, P and Q. Now this P and Q, they are overlapping each other. So this is zero angle. Matlab they have not taken any round here. Okay, so these are this angle is known as zero angle. So angle POQ, angle PO and Q equals to 0 degree. This is a zero angle. Now acute angle. Now what is acute angle? An angle which measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. So for this you need a protector. I'll show you. Now can you see here? This is a protector. Okay. Here it is a 0 degree. In a protector both the sides 0 degree is there. You can see here 0 degree and here also 0 degree. Okay. So from 0 to 180 degree and from this side also 0 to 180 degree. Okay. Now acute angle means, see here it is 0 degree and here it is 90 degree. Okay. So any angle which lies between 0 to 90 degree, that is called an acute angle. Now see here, an angle which measures between 0 and 90 degree is called an acute angle. Now see this angle ABC. From here if we start A, so from here to here the angle is 70 degree. So what we can say, angle ABC equals to 70 degree, and 70 degree is an acute angle. Okay, acute means it is less than 90 degree. Okay. Now what is right angle? An angle which measures 90 degree is called right angle. So just again see this protector. From here if we start, if any angle is formed till here 90 degree, that is called right angle. So here you can see in this angle, angle RQP or angle PQR you can say. So 90 degree. Okay. So this is a right angle. Okay. Now obtuse angle. So what is obtuse angle? An angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Now see here, if we start from Z, so it crosses till here, that means here it is 90 degree. So it crosses from here, so it came here and it is 130 degree. Okay, so this is more than 90 degree, that is why we are saying it is an obtuse angle. Okay, now next is straight angle. Straight angle. Now see here, straight angle, an angle which measures 180 degree is called an straight angle. Now straight name itself is telling you everything. Straight. Now see, if we start from here, that means it will take a whole, not whole but semicircle. So from here A to B, this is called 180 degree, and this 180 degree, that means it is a straight angle. Okay. Now remember, one straight angle, that means you can say two right angles. See, this is in right angle. So if we make a line here, this is also one right angle and this will be also one right angle. Okay, so two right angle will become one straight angle. Now next is reflex angle, an angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Now you know very well, I already told you that if it takes a whole round, this is 180 and again 180, that means total 360 degree. So an angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 is called reflex angle. So an angle started from here, from M, it went here and it came till here. Okay, so it is 235 degree. If it this angle takes whole round till here again, that means it is 360 degree, but it stopped here, that means it is 235, it is less than 360, so it is known as reflex angle. Okay. Now remember one more point, in reflex angle, this angle you can see it is marked, it will be outer side, not the in this inside side. Okay. Now this is the last one, that is complete angle. An angle in which one of the arms takes a full round and overlaps with the other arm again is called a complete angle. Now see here, this POQ. Okay, so it took a whole round like this and came here, and it is overlapping each other. So this angle is known as complete angle because it took a complete round. It took a complete round. Okay, so it is known as a complete angle, and the measurement is 360 degree. So one more important point here, one complete angle equals to 4 right angle, whereas we read already studied here, then one straight angle equals to 2 right angles. Okay, whereas 4 right angles equals to 1 complete angle. So till here. Okay, thank you.